Have you ever been misunderstood because of your English? We all make mistakes when speaking English, but some are common. Today, we will highlight these basic mistakes. We'll provide clear corrections. By the end, you'll speak with more confidence. Let's get started. First, let's discuss I could care less. Many say this, but the correct phrase is I couldn't care less. This means you don't care at all. Next, for all intensive purposes. The saying is actually for all intents and purposes. It means for all practical reasons. Now, nip it in the bud. The correct phrase is nip it in the bud. It means to stop a problem before it becomes big. Another common error is supposed to. The right term is supposed to. It indicates an expectation or obligation. Next up, the proof is in the pudding. Actually, it should be the proof of the pudding is in the eating. It means results are what matter, not just plans. Now, let's address could have. The correct phrase is could have. This is important for accurate communication. Then, irregardless is often used. The correct form is regardless. Irregardless does not exist in standard English. Also, avoid saying I seen. The correct phrase is I saw. This ensures you use the proper tense. Another mistake is he's a real doozy. Instead, say he's a real doozy. It means something is extraordinary or unusual. Finally, I know, right? That should be I know, right? Punctuation matters in conversations, too. By correcting these phrases, your English improves. You increase clarity and understanding with others. Practice these phrases with friends or family. Use them in daily conversations. Remember to be patient with yourself. We all learn through practice and mistakes. Speaking correctly boosts confidence and opens doors. Now, let's recap these common mistakes. 1. I couldn't care less. 2. For all intents and purposes. 3. Nip it in the bud. 4. Supposed to. 5. The proof of the pudding is in the eating. 6. Could have. 7. Regardless. 8. I saw. 9. He's a real doozy. 10. I know, right? Keep practicing. If you know such phrases that people say wrong, comment below. Like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.